In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable light mode on YouTube. If you prefer brighter backgrounds or you're working in a well-lit space, switching YouTube to light mode can make the interface easier to read and more comfortable on your eyes. The process is quick, and you don't have to sign in to do it, though being signed in can help the preference stick across your visits in the same browser. Start by opening YouTube in your browser. If you want, you can sign into your account, but this step is completely optional. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. If you're not signed in or don't use a custom photo, you might see a generic avatar or an icon in that spot. Go ahead and click it. This opens a small menu that controls a range of personal settings and preferences. In that menu, find the option labeled Appearance. It's usually near the top, alongside other quick settings. Click Appearance to open the theme choices. You'll see options like Light Theme, Dark Theme, and sometimes use Device Theme. To switch to a bright, clean look, select Light Theme. The moment you click it, the interface will update automatically. No need to refresh the page. You'll notice the background turns white, menus and sidebars adopt lighter shades, and thumbnails and text are optimized for a light environment. If you don't see the change right away, give it a second or two. On slower connections or busy systems, it can take a moment to apply. If it still hasn't switched, a quick page refresh can help. Also, if you previously set YouTube to follow your device theme, choosing Light Theme here will override that and keep YouTube in light mode regardless of your operating system's setting. A couple of useful tips to keep in mind. This appearance preference is saved in your browser, so if you switch browsers or clear site data, you may need to set it again. If the appearance option doesn't show up, make sure you're on the main YouTube website and that your browser is up to date. Sometimes extensions that alter page styling can interfere. Temporarily disabling them can help you confirm what's going on. That's all it takes. You've switched YouTube to light mode, and the change is immediate. If you ever want to go back, just follow the same menu path and choose a different theme. Enjoy browsing with a brighter, clearer look.